Hello and welcome to the brief guide on using the page speed optimization feature in the SEOKart app. From the left-hand side menu, go to the page speed feature. This feature provides insights into the speed of your store's homepage, a product page, and a category page. Additionally, it allows you to check the speed of any other page you want in the custom menu. You can also review the old page speed data of your homepage, product, and category page in the History tab. After checking the performance, if you find that your pages are loading slowly and you want to improve their speed, you can avail of our free basic page speed optimization service simply by clicking on the Request button. This service, provided exclusively to SEOKart users, includes image optimization, minification of JavaScript, and CSS where necessary, and is applicable for one homepage, one product page, and one category page. By using this service, you can expect an increase in your homepage speed on desktop by a few points. This is how you can utilize the page speed optimization feature and also request a specialist to optimize your store's page speed.